living organisms and life processes. Various organ systems are continuously performing their functions in human body. Along with various systems like digestive, respiratory, circulatory, excretory and control systems, different external and internal organs are performing their functions independently but through a complete coordination. This overall system is in action in more or less same way in all the organisms. Those are in need of continuous source of energy for this purpose. Carbohydrates, fats and lipids are the main sources of this energy, and it is harvested by the mitochondria present in each cell. It is not like that only foodstuff is sufficient for energy production, but oxygen is also necessary. All these, that is, foodstuffs and oxygen, are transported up to the cell via circulatory system. Besides, it is coordinated by the control system of the body. That is, each life process contributes in its own way in the process of energy production. Functioning of all these life processes also requires the energy. Human and other animals consume the fruits and vegetables. Plants are autotrophs. They prepare their own food. They utilize some of the food from themselves, whereas remaining is stored in various parts like fruits, leaves, stem, roots, etc. We consume all these various plant materials and obtain different nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, etc. Which food materials do we consume to obtain these nutrients? We obtain the carbohydrates from milk, fruits, jaggery, cane sugar, vegetables, potatoes, sweet meats and cereals like wheat, maize, ragi, jowar, millet, rice, etc. We get 4 kilocalories energy per gram of carbohydrates. Let us study the way by which this energy is obtained. Use your brain power. Many players are seen consuming some foodstuffs during breaks of the game. Why may be the players consuming these foodstuffs? Answer: many players are seen consuming some foodstuffs during breaks of the game, and the reasons are as follows. 1. Players need great amount of energy. 2. They perspire heavily at the time of game or sport, which results in the loss of water and electrolytes from their body. 3. Consuming some foodstuffs during breaks of the game helps them to restore the balance of water and electrolytes in their body. It also gives enhanced energy required for performance. Can you recall? What is respiration? How does it occur? Answer: respiration. Release of energy from the assimilated food is called respiration. Respiration occurs in the following way. Inhalation and exhalation is called breathing. When inhalation is done, air enters the lungs. The oxygen from this air enters the blood, while carbon dioxide from the blood exits from the blood. Through exhalation, CO2 is given out. This gaseous exchange occurs through alveolar membrane. This is called external respiration. The RBCs carry oxygen to every cell. Here, inside the mitochondria tissue, respiration or internal respiration takes place. The oxygen is used for production of energy. By oxidation of food nutrients, energy is released in the form of ATP. Living organism and energy production. Observe. Observe and label the diagram given. Nose, mouth, larynx, bronchi, diaphragm, alveolus, trachea, lungs. In living organisms, respiration occurs at two levels as body and cellular level. Oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged between body and surrounding in case of respiration occurring at body level. In case of respiration at cellular level, foodstuffs are oxidized either with or without help of oxygen. Can you tell? How many atoms of C, H and O are respectively present in a molecule of glucose? Answer. In one molecule of glucose, there are 6 atoms of C, that is carbon, 12 atoms of H, that is hydrogen, and 6 atoms of O, that is oxygen. Hence, glucose is C6H12O6. Which types of chemical bonds are present between all these atoms? Answer. These atoms have covalent bonds between them. In terms of chemistry, what happens actually when a molecule is oxidized? Answer. When a molecule is oxidized, it gains oxygen atoms or it loses electrons. Carbohydrates of the food that we consume every day are mainly utilized for production of energy required for daily need. This energy is obtained in the form of ATP. For this purpose, glucose, a type of carbohydrates, is oxidized step by step in the cells. This is called as cellular respiration. Cellular respiration occurs among the living organisms by 2 methods. Those 2 methods are aerobic respiration, oxygen is involved, and anaerobic respiration, oxygen is not involved. In aerobic respiration, glucose is oxidized in 3 steps. Glycolysis. Process of glycolysis occurs in cytoplasm. A molecule of glucose is oxidized step by step in this process and 2 molecules of each, that is pyruvic acid, ATP, NADH2 and water are formed. Molecules of pyruvic acid formed in this process are converted into molecules of acetyl coenzyme A. 2 molecules of NADH2 and 2 molecules of CO2 are released during this process. Tricarboxylic acid cycle. Both molecules of acetyl CoA enter the mitochondria. Cyclic chain of reactions called as tricarboxylic acid cycle is operated on it in the mitochondria. Acetyl part of acetyl CoA is completely oxidized through this cyclical process and molecules CO2, H2O, NADH2, FADH2 are derived. Electron transfer chain reaction. Molecules of NADH2 and FADH2 formed during all above processes participate in electron transfer chain reaction. Due to this, 3 molecules of ATP are obtained from each NADH2 molecule and 2 molecules of ATP from each FADH2 molecule. Besides ATP, water molecules are also formed in this reaction. Electron transfer chain reaction is operated in mitochondria only. Thus, a molecule of glucose is completely oxidized in aerobic respiration and molecules of CO2 and H2O are produced along with energy. ATP. Adenosine triphosphate is energy-rich molecule and energy is stored in the bonds by which phosphate groups are attached to each other. These molecules are stored in the cells as per need. Chemically, ATP is triphosphate molecule formed from adenosine ribonucleoside. It contains a nitrogenous compound, adenine, pentose sugar, ribose and 3 phosphate groups. As per the need, energy is derived by breaking the phosphate bond of ATP. Hence, ATP is called as energy currency of the cell. If there is insufficient amount of carbohydrates in body due to exceptional conditions like fasting and hunger, then lipids and proteins are used for energy production. In case of lipids, they are converted into fatty acids, whereas proteins into amino acids. Fatty acids and amino acids are converted into acetyl CoA, and energy is obtained through complete oxidation of acetyl CoA by the process of Krebs cycle in mitochondria. Introduction to scientists. Process of glycolysis was discovered by three scientists, Gustav Emden, Otto Meyerhof, and Jacob Parnas, along with their colleagues. For this purpose, they performed experiments on muscles. Hence, glycolysis is called as Emden-Meyerhof-Parnas pathway, EMP pathway. The cyclical reactions of tricarboxylic acid cycle were discovered by Sir Hans Krebs. Hence, this cyclical process is also called as Krebs cycle. He has been awarded the Nobel Prize in 1953 for this discovery. Process of energy production through aerobic respiration of carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Lipids, carbohydrates, proteins, fatty acids, glycolysis, amino acids, pyruvic acid, acetyl CoA, Krebs cycle, CO2 plus H2O plus energy. Anaerobic respiration of living organisms, cells, glucose, pyruvic acid, glycolysis, pyruvic acid, fermentation, pyruvic acid, fermentation, alcohol, fermentation, lactic acid, yeast, different products, example, vinegar, vitamins, etc., erythrocytes, muscle cells, various microbes. Energy production in microorganisms through anaerobic respiration. Some organisms cannot live in presence of oxygen. Example, many bacteria. Such living organisms have to perform anaerobic respiration for energy production. Glycolysis and fermentation are two steps of anaerobic respiration. Glucose is incompletely oxidized and less amount of energy is obtained in this type of respiration. Pyruvic acid produced through glycolysis is converted into other organic acids or alcohol with the help of some enzymes in this process. This is called as fermentation. Some higher plants, animals, and aerobic microorganisms also perform anaerobic respiration instead of aerobic respiration if there is depletion in oxygen level in the surrounding. Example, seeds perform anaerobic respiration if the soil is submerged under water during germination. Similarly, our muscle cells also perform anaerobic respiration while performing the exercise. Due to this, less amount of energy is produced in our body and lactic acid accumulates, due to which we feel tired. Can you tell which type of cellular respiration performs complete oxidation of glucose? Answer: the aerobic respiration or cellular respiration in presence of oxygen performs complete oxidation of glucose. Which cell organelle is necessary for complete oxidation of glucose? Answer: mitochondria is necessary for complete oxidation of glucose. Energy from different food components.